Hello, today you will learn about
Knowing how to express the time is very important because it allows you to navigate daily life effectively. Whether it's for travel, work, meeting with friends, or making appointments, you need to master this basic skill. Today we are going to learn how to tell the time in French, and for that we will first review how to conjugate the verb
être.
in the present tense, then review the numbers from 1 to 59 and finish with how to tell the time using these elements above. Without wasting any more time,
On y va.
one of the keys to being able to tell the time in French is to know how to conjugate the verb
Être.
in the present tense, especially the third personal pronoun in the singular. So let's review how it works. I am, you are, he, she, it, is, we are, you are, they are.
Je suis, tu es, il ou elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils ou elles sont.
Example.
Papa, quelle heure est-il?
Dad, what time is it?
Il est 8 heures.
It is 8 o'clock. To tell the time in French, it is crucial to know the numbers, especially the numbers from 1 to 59.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Note that the numbers from 10 to 20 are a little irregular, so unfortunately you will just have to learn them by heart. For numbers from 20 to 59 it's even simpler. It works as follows. Firstly, know the numbers 30, 40, and 50 by heart, then you just add the single number or units to the tens number as we did with numbers from 20 to 29. Example.
30 plus 7 égale 37, 40 plus 9 égale 49. 50 plus 3 égale 53.
To tell the time in French, you need to first know your French numbers from 0 to 59 and use the sentence
Il est.
plus number plus
Heure.
In English, you can say it's 4 instead of it's 4 o'clock, you cannot do the same in French. You would say,
Il est 10 heures.
and not.
Il est 10.
Examples.
Il est 8 heures.
It's 8 a.m.
Il est 16 heures.
It's 4 p.m. While most English-speaking countries use the 12-hour clock to tell the time, French uses both the 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Generally, French people prefer the 24-hour clock system though, so it's good to know it. Instead of just counting from 1 to 12, you'll need to go from 1 to 24. With the 12-hour clock, if you say,
Il est 7 heures.
it can mean either it is 7 a.m. or it is 7 p.m. With the 24-hour clock, if you say,
Il est 20 heures.
it means it is 8 p.m. Examples.
21h45. 14h. 19h30.
We will stop here today for the first part of the lesson on how to tell time in French. I hope that this first part was really useful to you and that you would be there for the next episode on how to tell the time in French. So take care of yourself.
À bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.